I prefer to build the chimney in the plan view, and you'll see why when I click on it. So we're going to build our chimney right over here. We're going to use the box modeling tool, and we're going to put a box in here, not that big, perhaps about that size right there. Then we'll go back to perspective, and then you'll see what we're trying to accomplish here. We can move that right into the wall of the house, like so. And then we can take a look at our size here in height. So we'll just start to extrude that. Goes right up through there, and that's how we have our chimney. Now we can adjust some different sizes here, some width. See if we can narrow that up a little bit.